In middle school, you have the same classes every day, but in high school, you will follow a block schedule, which means that you will go to 4 classes a day for 90 minutes each, an A day and B day.
In middle school, your grades don't count as credits, but in high school, your grades count as credits that will be required for your graduation.
You earn credits by passing all your classes with a minimum of 70% and being in attendance for each of your classes for 90% of the time.
You can earn half credit for each semester course you complete successfully.
You will need 6 credits to be promoted to sophomore, 12 credits to be promoted to junior, 18 credits to be promoted to senior, and 26 to graduate.
Students will take the courses necessary to complete curriculum requirements for the Foundation of High School program and the curriculum requirements for at least 1 endorsement.
For graduation, you'll have to take 5-star exams to include English 1, English 2, Algebra 1, Biology, and U.S. History.
In Texas, the endorsement is basically something that's tailored for what the student would like to do. So in 8th grade, you're going to pick something that you're either really skilled in or you're focused in and what you want to pursue later on.
Endorsements are similar to a college major.
Endorsements are different pathways that help you go into different careers and experiment on what you enjoy to do and what you might be looking forward to after you graduate high school.
Endorsements allow students to apply core curriculum in a practical way.
Endorsements also allow students to build skills for college and career choices. Endorsements also allow students to earn college credit, licensures, and even certifications, all while in high school.
And overall prepares them for the future college choices or even the future career. STEM, business and industry, public services, arts and humanities, and multidisciplinary.
Parent meetings are held at all 5 high schools, and they are there to answer any questions that you may have regarding your child's education and academic opportunities that they offer.
You can come to your high school on transition nights and learn more about the extracurricular activities and clubs that you might be interested in. People will be representing and out here so you can see what it's all about and maybe help you to pick your endorsement.
And also, they start before they come to high school. While they're in middle school, they'll go to the campus and introduce the idea of endorsements, and they'll take a sheet home to their parents for them to sign.
Some people say that freshman year doesn't really matter, but it's actually the year that you develop your studying habits, your working habits, so I just advise that you really work hard your freshman year.
Turn in your work on time, do your homework, take notes. Take notes that you enjoy looking at, because if they aren't pleasing to look at, you aren't going to look back at them.
Start worrying about your grades as soon as you can. They all matter no matter what grade you're in.
Ask your teachers for questions. They are there to help you. They will help you with everything you need.
If you're having a bad day, just make sure to always communicate.
And if you have questions, ask classmates also. They may be able to help you in ways your teacher cannot.
Get involved within a club or extracurricular activity or make friends. Anything that makes you really want to show up every day and do your best.
Time management, know how to manage your time, especially if you want to do extra things, know how to balance everything out.
Not pushing everything to the last minute.
Don't hang with the wrong crowd. The energy they give is the same energy you're going to give.
There's a lot of outside things that can cause you to drift off away from what you want to do, so just make sure you stay focused.
Do what you need to do to succeed.
Never be afraid. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take, and the more opportunities, the better.
Have a clear mindset, determination, and a route you may want to go.
And don't worry about fitting in. You'll find a place. There's always a home for you, no matter what class you're in, what endorsement you choose. Everybody is very welcoming here.
On the first day of school, in the first few days, everyone is as disoriented as you are, so it's really no big deal.
Enjoy the high school experience rather than just stressing about every little thing.
Don't slack. Even if it's 1 semester, stay focused.
Every credit in high school counts.
Grades matter. Grades matter for college, acceptance, your scholarships that you'll get throughout high school, and especially your GPA and rank.
Do good freshman year, have something good to lay back on, stay confident, and don't get down on yourself.
Take business classes, because ultimately they're the ones that will impact you the most once you get out of high school, because
everybody has to find a job somewhere in the work field.
Make sure you do all your work, try out everything you can, just stay on school, stay on top of your grades, and just always be confident.
Don't hang with the people because it's cool and you get the girls. Do what's right and you're gonna have success when you get older.
Think before a lot of actions. Don't just run it, head on.
It's okay to be different, that you don't have to be like everybody else and you don't have to conform to what everybody else thinks is right. You can just stay what you want to do.
Not be afraid to engage in the school or extracurricular activities or classes, or really be excited to be in class.
No matter how hard it gets or how frustrating it gets, keep trying and always never give up.
Don't quit. Keep pushing forward, and you're bound for success at one point.
You will make it. Like everybody's gone through high school, they've made it. No, it's not there to make you fail, it's there to help you succeed further in life. So just take it easy and you'll be just fine.